and welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about operators and expressions in Java. First, let us understand what is an operator. As the name suggests, an operator is a special symbol which is used to perform some operation on variables and values. For example, we can use plus as an addition operator to add to values. Let us understand it with the help of an example in Eclipse IDE. Let us create two integer variables as int num1 and let's assign value 10 to it. Let's create another integer variable int num2 and assign 22. Now if we want to add these two values, we have to write the code statement as num1 plus num2 ended with semicolon. So what is plus over here? Plus is an operator. And what are num1 and num2? So num1 and num2 are called operands. Now you might be thinking, what is an operand? So let's discuss that. An operand is a value or a variable on which the operation has to be performed. For example, in our code, num1 and num2 are operands and we are performing an operation addition on these two operands. Now, let us store the result of this addition in a variable. Let us declare another variable int sum and let's store the variable values like sum is equal to num1 plus num2. So sum will hold the addition result of num1 and num2. Now this entire statement where we have a variable sum and num1 num2 operands and plus as an operator, this entire statement is called an expression. So we can define an expression as a combination of variables, values and operators. One point to note over here is that an expression should be evaluated to produce some value. In our example, num1 is 10, num2 is 20. So it is producing the value 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. Now let's check how we can print the value of some variable. For this, we need to write system.out.println statement, and in that statement we have to write within brackets at the variable sum and end the statement with semicolon. So this will print the value of sum. Let's save and execute our code and check the console. So we can see we are getting the result as 30, which is 10 plus 20. So this is how we work with operator, and operator works on operands by performing some operation. Now in Java, there are multiple operators and we can divide these operators into different operator groups. Let's check those operator groups. So we have arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, and ternary operators in Java. After learning about operators, operands, and expressions, in the next video, we will learn about each of these operator groups in detail. So stay tuned.